So when they ask for the sum of the angle measures in something like this, we need a formula for that. So I wrote it down on the last example, but I want to put it on here, and since we're recording this, that formula is going to be n. And let me just, before I do that, let me just explain what n is. Since there are 4 sides to this triangle, or to this polygon, since this polygon has 4 sides, n it's a variable, so n is going to be equal to 4. N is equal to 4. And the formula that we're going to use is that the sum of the angles is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. All right. So, Saladin, can you see what I wrote there? Good. And if n is 4, here's what we want to do. We want to replace the n with 4. I'm going to do what I just said. Instead of writing n minus 2, I want to write 4 minus 2. That's a good question. The question was, how did we get n minus 2? First, let me tell you what it is, and then I'm going to tell you how I got it, okay? So n minus 2 is going to be 4 minus 2. Let me use a different color here. It's going to be 4 minus 2 times 180. I'm going to answer that question, why we got 4 minus 2. Well, 4 minus 2, of course, is 2. So 2 times 180 degrees. And that's equal to 360. So our answer is 360. Now, how did I get that? I want you to remember that we can always break down any polygon, any shape that we have into triangles. There's more than one way to do it. So if we look at this shape, right? If I were to draw a line like that, didn't I just form 2 triangles? Good. And how many degrees in each triangle? Doesn't this triangle have 180 degrees? And so does this triangle? So we would multiply 180 times 2. Your question was, why is n equals 4? Because there are 4 sides. So we got 4 minus 2. That's how we got this number right here, 2 triangles. So I guess we could say it that way. It's how many triangles we have times 180. But you don't have to draw it every time. You just have to know how many sides there are, subtract 2 from that, and then multiply by 180. We'll do another one, and I'll record that too. Yeah.